Meaning of deluxe.
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 Deluxe. Deluxe is a term used to describe something that is luxurious or high-end. It originates from French and translates to of luxury. The term is commonly used to describe premium versions of products or services, such as luxury hotels, high-end cars, or deluxe editions of books or albums. When something is labeled as deluxe, it typically means it is of superior quality and comes with extra features or amenities not found in the standard version. In short, deluxe implies exclusivity, quality, and extravagance.